Hey, I want to explain. I fixed my wife's Husqvarna Viking Designer 1 sewing machine. The panel, the touch panel had gone out. Originally, I had heated it up with a hair dryer and got it to work for a while, but I had to end up replacing the touch panel altogether. Right, so instead of buying the $200 or $300 replacement that they want from the normal Husqvarna touch display, I ordered one for $8 on eBay. I had to do a little customization. One of the things is I had to cut off the cable here, and the piece that extends and connects to the motherboard, that attachment is wider on this and it's skinnier on the replacement I purchased. So what I had to do is kind of scratch off very lightly, scratch off some of this material, put some black tape on the back to reinforce it, drill some holes through here, and then take some wire like this, feed that through, and you can't solder it, so you have to, find something that'll clamp, and I just used a paper clamp that would hold that with, obviously concealing it with or protecting it with some black tape, but clamping it so that it'd make connectivity. And the other end of these wires, I actually soldered it to the other touch panel to get it to work. The other touch panel was wired a little bit differently. You can see that these first two wires, maybe it's this side. Yeah, this right here. These first two wires are control the upper layer of the touch panel on the left and the right here, and that's either the Y or the X-axis. I'm not sure. On the new panel, it's this end wire. Let me point to it. It's this end wire and this connectivity instead of the two that are next to each other. So I had to jumper, just reconfigure it or rewire it from here to here and then here to here. And this is the plus wire, and then this is the plus on the on this particular layout, and that's actually the same on the replacement panel. So plus minus on the other replacement, it's plus minus and then plus minus. So if that makes sense, you can kind of follow looking at the new display how these are laid out on the panel. And then once I did that, put it back together, and it is now functioning as it should. I'll actually put a listing of what panel I purchased. And the other thing I had to do is, go into settings and then recalibrate, go into here and, do the, calibration adjustment, do that. And it works perfectly. So save myself, several $100s doing it myself. Thanks.